before and after natin. So, basically, ito yung before mo. And then, let's see the after, ha? So, let's see if meron siyang difference. So, this is the before and this is the after. Yeah, this side, right? I think ito nag-break siya.
Yes.
Right? Yes. Pero may mga areas ka dito na medyo thickened, kaya medyo mahuhuli siya. And also, you would see the improvement also sa lines ng underarm mo and yun sabi mo sa shadowing. Okay. So, that's the right side. So, let's see the left side, the darker one. This is the left side. So, the left side is medyo darker. Yeah.
Parang part
Ay, sorry.
na,
Sorry.
yun yung part na medyo sobrang shadow.
Yeah.
Ito na wala. Medyo na.
Nag-fade na, no?
Yes, nag-fade.
Right. So, ito yung pinaka-darker area. At saka yung itong area kasi medyo thick talaga siya. So, the thick areas, medyo mahuhuli siya. So, also notice the chicken skin. Would you, do you see?
Yes.
Alright. So, magla-lighten pa ito in the next coming weeks. And then, I'll just give you mga topicals para mag-lighten pa faster.
Alright. And
Alright.
the next session is recommended
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Oo, 4 weeks.
Then, para mag-book ako ng 4 weeks.
Yes. Alright. Enjoy your vacation. Your diary. Thank you, Sense!